Hi guys, and welcome back to the Flawless Beauty channel. Hi, how are ya? How are we doing? It's a bad day. No, it's going to be a great day because today we're doing a little self-care with some nails. So my nails, I already have polish on them, but Sherry has popped off her press-ons.
Yes, I'm going to make my bad day to a good self-care day. How about that?
There we go. And I love a gel polish. I'm a gel polish queen. So when AzureBeauty reached out, I was super excited because this is a gel polish that I have never tried, and it's actually the dip powder kit. So you don't need a UV light for this. You literally just brush on the activators and you dip your fingers into the dip gel powder. So Sherry is going to get a little at-home dip powder mani, and we are going to take you along the way step by step. Okay guys, so before we actually start the whole process, I just want to go through the kit really quick. So it does have a step-by-step instructions on how to do the dip manicure. It comes with a large variety of colors, and Sherry has actually already chosen, was it the silver one or
the pink and the chunky silver?
Yeah, so she's doing two colors. She's going to do an accent.
I got a sparkly light pink on most of my nails, and then my accent nail is going to be like a chunkier silver glitter.
Sparkle. So she's already chosen hers. She's doing
number 8 and number 9.
Or is it 60 and 80?
They were sitting next to each other, so I think it's 8 and 9.
So we're doing these two. I got the spring color collection is the one I chose. But it also comes with a cuticle pusher, a file, a brush, and again, this is the whole kit. So it's coming with everything that you need to do this. And again, you do not need a UV light. So
and it comes with the extra. Tell them about the extras.
Oh yeah,
I thought that was really nice.
It comes with 2 extra.
They're brushes. Because sometimes brushes get all frayed and messed up, so it's really nice they put in 2 extra ones.
That is really nice. So those come in there. So just to start, Sherry has already taken off her fake nails. Her hands are clean. She has already filed them and pushed back her cuticle. So the next step, what we're going to do is actually buff the nail bed. So you can use this that comes in the kit, or if you have a nail block, whatever. But you are going to buff the nail to where you take the shine off of it, just so this can adhere very nicely. So I'm going to zoom in the camera and we're going to get to it. Okay, so we have used a filing block just to rough up and take off the shine off of her nails. I even went a step further and got an alcohol pad to dry it out even more. So the first step is the base. So this dries quickly. So we're going to do 1 finger at a time, base and dip. Base and then dip. And when you dip into the powder, you are going to do it at a 40-degree angle. So don't go straight down. 45.
45.
45-degree angle.
What's half a 90? 45. So
okay.
Instead of that, just a little tilted.
So we're going to do the base.
Okay, that one's going to be pink. So I'm going to take it over here in the pink glittery.
And this dries quickly. So like I said, you're going to do 1 finger at a time. So go ahead and dip. 45.
Okay, that's about 45.
And then, whoop, stay there. And then we're going to take our brush that comes in the kit.
Way up?
Yeah.
Okay.
And just to kind of brush off the excess around her finger.
Oh, I didn't get it all the way up.
Oh, you didn't? Yeah, you did.
This is my first time doing dip, so
Mine too.
A little bit of a experimental process. So.
It's my first time too. But the instructions were simple.
Yeah. Okay, 45 degree. Whoa, girl. Whoa, whoa. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
My bad. We'll dip it again.
Dip it again.
Oh my gosh, it's going everywhere.
Okay.
Okay. Shake, shake, shake.
Okay.
Okay, as you can see, we have done the first set of dipping. So after this, it takes about 30 seconds to dry. We're going to come back in and we're going to do the base again so we can do a second coat. And we're going to keep doing this until we get to the desired color.
Also, if you need to just take it like this to make it easier, just was practicing with that instead of just trying to dip it in there. You can move the container a little bit if it's easier for you.
Okay, so this is after the 2 coats of the pink and the silver. So we are done with our base coat at the moment. And we are going to move over to the activator. And the activator takes about a minute to dry. So we are going to put the activator on all of these nails.
Making sure there's no excess little glitters.
Yeah, this comes in handy to get all the excess off. So the activator has been on for about 60 seconds, and then this is the time you can kind of come in with your file that's included in the kit. If you got a little bit over the cuticle, you can go ahead and fix that, get any rough edges, and then we are going to apply our first coat of the gel top coats. Okay, so I just went through and did a light buffing of the top layer. Really, that's just to make sure, you know, you don't have any rough glitter standing up, so you have a nice smooth surface. First coat going on, and this takes 60 seconds to dry. Okay, so the first top coat is done. We're going to go and do a second top coat. The top coat's really going to make sure it stays on, doesn't chip, and also just because it has glitter, we want to make sure it's a nice, smooth surface. And again, 60 seconds to completely dry. Okay guys, there is the second coat. She just needs to wait her 60 seconds until they dry, and we're gonna go ahead and start the other hand. But that is a pretty fabulous. I mean, we're not professionals by any means. That is a pretty dang good at-home dip powder manicure, if I do say so myself. I'm pretty freaking proud of myself.
Yeah, I like the sparkles are really sparkly. I was surprised they came out that sparkly, but they look nice.
Yeah, they do. Okay, guys, her at-home dip powder mani is all finished. And it was pretty easy. Like I said, they do step-by-steps. They include instructions, everything that you absolutely need. You do not need a UV light. It came with the cuticle pusher, the brush, and your file. It came with everything that you possibly need for this. I would just suggest putting down a towel because the powder kind of does go a little bit over when you put your finger in it. But quick at-home manicure that's going to last quite a few weeks. And AzureBeauty is on Amazon. I will link them below. This is part of their spring color collection, but they do have different collections with different colors. If you are interested, make sure you check out the description below. And until next time, guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe, do all the freaking things. And until next time.